If your Home Assistant dashboard is getting messy, do not start with a redesign. Start by changing the structure underneath it. This format was inspired by a Home Assistant Reddit thread and the johnkoht/hasio config repo captured in issue 1562. I adapted that structured idea for my infrastructure dashboard. This is my infrastructure dashboard. The important part is not the exact cards. It is how the dashboard is split into an entry point, views, partials, and shared templates. Step 1. Make the dashboard file boring. Mine only loads the shared button card templates, and then loads every view from a views folder. That keeps dashboard.yaml tiny. The actual screens live as small files, like 05 MariaDB.yaml, with a title, path, icon, and one include for the sections. Step 2. Move the real cards into partials. In the MariaDB partial, the top strip is just a grid of KPI cards. Each card uses the same template and swaps the entity, name, and icon. Step 3. Put styling in button card templates. A base template owns the padding, border, grid, typography, and default actions. Then chips, KPI tiles, list rows, and panel headers extend it. Now the real dashboard stays consistent. Proxmox, Docker, Pi-hole, MariaDB, and Joanna can use different entities while still feeling like one product. I will keep the GitHub path on screen because the repo is the companion guide. You can open the exact dashboard folder and compare the entry point, views, partials, and templates while you build. To try this yourself, create one dashboard folder, one views folder, one partials folder, and one templates file. Do not migrate everything at once. And if you are using Codex, Claude, or another AI-enabled Home Assistant workflow, point it at this video and the GitHub folder. The video gives it the intent, and the YAML gives it the implementation pattern. We also turn this into the Home Assistant Dashboard Designer Codex skill. Any Codex assistant can use that skill to keep dashboard work grid-based, button card first, and template-driven. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. It helps other Home Assistant users find the walkthrough, and the more we share, the better our automations get. For the next video, watch adjusting the Auto Entities card in Home Assistant, or choose the video YouTube recommends on screen.